Crank up the heat. NRG is back! Tonight we're gonna show you what it looks like deprived from its battle suit. Basically, minus NRG's battle suit, this guy is actually a entity made out of pure heat. And, well, it looks like it's made out of magma and fire, but it feeds on nuclear energy. Here's NRG's tentacles. I meant his omnitrix. Why would I say tentacles? NRG doesn't have tentacles. I mean, it's alteration to his battle suit. To his max. To his neck. Alexa, play Take Over the World.
Here's Take Over the World by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
I'm Romeo, I am a genius, the greatest mind you've ever seen. I'm Romeo, a great inventor who made a lot of really cool machines. With my robot, I got a master plan to defeat the PJ pests in any way I can. Hey, I'm Romeo, I'm gonna take over the world, and don't you know, no one is ever gonna stop me from taking over the world. I'm Romeo, I'm really clever, I think I know most everything. I'm Romeo, you can't defeat me, I'll rule the world just like a king.
Finished! That's how you complete NRG from Benton Omniverse. That's all for now. Take a sword. See you later.